Hi guys, make sure you do not miss the upcoming Mother's Day meal collaboration that I will be doing starting next Wednesday with these two lovely ladies, Lisa D Delights and Mama T Speaks. Also, check out my previous video for the Mother's Day meal collab announcement for all the details. Hey family! So today we are doing a easy, quick, this is super easy and super quick. Lunch idea, dinner idea, whatever. You can eat this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. But it is super quick and easy. It literally takes about 10 minutes to do. So stay tuned.
Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah.
Okay, so after cutting up the lettuce, and side note, you can use the shredded lettuce, but this what was cheaper at the stove, so this is what I got. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the meat. So I've already washed this meat off and I pat it dry, so now I'm just going to be cutting it into small cube pieces. You do not have to use this cut of meat. I'm just using the fillet cut because it's so tender, juicy, and good, and I just love it. But you do not have to use this type of steak. You don't even have to use steak. You can use chicken. You can use ground beef if you want. You can use whatever type of meat you like. It's always about what you want, not me, but you. So we're going to do that, and we're going to get to sauteing this meat, and literally that's all the cooking we have to do in this dish, y'all. It's just for the meat. Keep watching.
Your friends, we were minded. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on.
Okay, so we're going to throw some butter in this pan and saute this meat down really good and season her. I'm not using that many seasonings because I want to keep the integrity of this meat, because this meat is so good. It doesn't need much. I want to taste the flavor of the meat. So only thing I'm seasoning it with is some kosher salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. If you want it to be like the carne asada or like more Mexican taste, then you can put in like your cumin or your taco meat seasoning. You can season it with whatever you want to season it with, but this is what I'm doing on today.
We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby,
So I guess y'all didn't believe me when I said this was gonna be quick and easy, huh? Well, it's finished. The meat is done. We're gonna start putting our bowl together. That right there is the cilantro lime rice. We're gonna hit it with the meat. Then we're gonna put some corn in there, some queso, the lettuce I chopped up, along with some sour cream, and some cheese. Sorry, almost forgot the cheese. And that is it, y'all. Now y'all can add tomatoes, beans, salsa, whatever else you want to add to your bowl, but this is what I like on mine. And this is it. This literally takes about 10 minutes to do. It's not hard at all. So get y'all some meat, get y'all some toppings. Y'all ain't even got to go to Chipotle or what's the other place name, Moe's. None of that. You can do that here. And if you don't want the bowl, just get a tortilla and slap that in a tortilla. Why y'all spending all this money at these restaurants when y'all can do this easy stuff at home? Anyway, this is all. If y'all want to know, yes, I've had my goalies today. No energy tea, but I did have my goalie gummies. So this is all that it is. Hope you guys enjoy this quick, easy video for this quick, easy meal. Catch you guys in the next one. Remember to stay blessed, drink plenty of water, and mind your own business. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
yeah. Your friends, we were minded. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you